Hi guys, Mike at Lancaster Automart. This is a 2015 64 Polo 1.4 TSI BlueGT. Obviously, as you can see straight away, it's not a standard car. First of all, it's got the Polo GT plate on it, which is staying with it. It's got the upgraded alloys. It's ever so slightly lowered. It's got the blue centre caps, mirror surrounds, and it's got the sports exhaust, black and blue roof. Like I say, the plates are staying. Lovely two-tone interior. It's got a really good service history. However, we will be servicing it again and doing an MOT over in our main dealer workshop. The MOT will be advisory free. 72,225 miles as it stands. So like I say, you have got a fantastic sounding stainless steel exhaust. Six-speed manual. It has been his baby. It's had what it needed when it needed. So the service history is fantastic. The plate alone must be worth quite a few pounds, I would think. It does look really well. If you want any more pictures or videos, part exchange prices, finance inquiries, anything at all, give us a call or send us a message. Thank you.